Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet, and of course there's like one more day till the Animal Farm launches, and a lot of people got those questions on how to make LP, how to do everything. So I thought, well, let me make a very basic video explaining how to do it. Let me share my screen, and of course you can see that there are many different pools. You can also see your personal earnings, your expected earnings for many days, of course, and of course you can see also your team growth. Team profit. So what we got to work with, guys, let me show you. Of course, welcome to the farms. You have non-native farms tokens to earn yield asset. What does that mean? Well, let's say you're going to be putting in some, let's go here, 1 second. Let's say we want to put in some BNB BUSD. We're going to be needing to go to PancakeSwap. I'm going to show you now how to make LP. We're going to be needing to go to PancakeSwap, where we're going to go to liquidity. And then, of course, you can see that I got a little bit over $1,000 of drip BUSD. Liquidity already waiting. We're going to be clicking at liquidity, and we're going to go to BNB and BUSD. So you can see that we're going to be adding liquidity. And for me, it's going to be adding 50, as of course I need to make another video also in a little bit. And this I just got standing around. So we're going to make liquidity, and you can see that the BNB BUSD LP will be 2.07. We can confirm the supply. And of course the farm is not open yet, so I cannot place it in already. But I can show you guys how to make it. You can see that it takes the amount of $50, that's 0.15 BNB. It's going to be taking $50, and it's just creating that LP. So we got a BNB BUSD LP now ready. And of course, those are the two basic things that you can do. You can see that I already have that drip BUSD, a little bit, almost $1,100 waiting for it to be put in also. And of course, like we can say, well, let's do something else. You want to do some Ethereum BNB, you want to do some BTC BNB. You can always decide which pool you want to go in. You can check the numbers, which is going like, which is giving the best APR. And of course, APR is like the amount you get on a daily basis. Some people choose the highest. Make sure to choose one and just stay in it, because of course there's a little bit of transferring in fee. There's a little bit of transferring out fee. But the great thing is, guys, is that we're going to be earning dogs. With dogs, we can do multiple things. Last time I was heavily in the Link BNB pool with something like 24,000 or something. But let's go to the dog pound. This is a great new thing, of course, because you can stake your dogs, and you can see it. Oh, let me just name it. Dog Pound is the Animal Farm's loyalty reward system. Stake Animal Farm dogs to reduce your tax and earn a BNB dividend, which is generated from the Animal Farm dogs' taxes. The Auto Dog Pound puts your earned BNB to work by pairing it with Animal Farm dogs and staking on your behalf in the Animal Farm's dogs BNB farm, earning you compound interest in both BNB and Animal Farm pigs. As an added bonus, your Animal Farm dogs transaction tax is also reduced 25% faster in the Auto Dog Pound, 1% a day, making it easy to decide wealth generation over short-term volatility. You can of course read the documentation, but it goes like this. You can withdraw your dog's LP. For me, I just got it waiting for when the farm opens. You can stake your dogs, and you will get an amount of APR also. Let's check it out. I believe this is the part with the auto compound. And as you know, we can just press the farms. You can see the farms. And if you say, well, but I'm okay, I don't really like yield farms because the price can fluctuate. It can go up, it can go down. We can also just go to the pools, where you can just like put in just simple BNB, put in some simple BUSD, or one of these other tokens. And of course, we are also in the drip garden, which I got multiple videos about. In the moment, I got like 4 LP to withdraw, got a little bit over 3 million plants. And of course, also there is the pig pen. The pig pen pays out in BUSD. I got a little bit over 10 pigs in it. You can see that I'm making some money from it. I could claim my rewards. I could compound. It all depends on how I'm feeling in the moment. And also the piggy bank is one of the projects that's also lasting and working with this. The one thing that I say that's a great thing, guys, is that this is going to be one of the first farms or the only farm that has a lot of funds in it. In the moment, it's like 46 million. Oh, yeah, 46 million. But the great thing about it is that it's going to be working in the background. How can you see that? Well, normally it's just a farm. There's a lot of sell pressure, and the coin just plummets because everybody's selling it, everybody needing those funds. But here, the money in the background will be generating an income for the farm. Well, you can just put your dogs to work, making it auto compound and give you BNB, meaning that you do not have to sell the assets to make money, which is a great thing, of course. And also your dogs can earn you pigs. Well, pigs are going to be making you like an owner of the farm. What does it do? Well, it makes sure that you are earning BUSD, which you can, of course, auto compound, or you can take it out, which means that there will be so much less selling pressure on the farms, which is a great thing because we've all seen many farms go up, go up, go up, and then crash down. So yeah, for me, it's a nice start, and I'm going to be jumping in heavily. I'm coming in with like 20k, 30k, I don't know yet. But I'm just waiting for it to launch. As you can see here, it's going to be launching in 1 day, 1 hour, and 41 minutes. A lot of people got questions. So, Pet, where can I find my ref link? Well, I'm going to show you. You just scroll all the way down. You can see your referrer, and of course, you can see the copy referral link. You press this button, and you can just give it to your people, which means that you will be earning a percentage from what they invest and a percentage from what they earn. If you're going to be putting in a little bit of work, as I believe this farm is going to be lasting for many years to come, you can definitely build a great income, even if your funds are not as big to start with. Of course, I know that I cannot look in everybody's wallet, but not everybody has the funds to invest tens of thousands of dollars. So you can just make sure that you're growing rapidly by telling a friend, by making a post, writing a blog. Just start with moving forward in life. So this is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making a whole lot of money together. Education is the key, and that's why I thought I'd make a video showing the basic steps on how to join.